Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to start another Lego Techniques kit build. Again, it's winter, it's cold, so we're going to start another kit. So let me show you what we're going to start. We're going to do a time lapse of this. I'll show you what we're going to start. We are going to work on the 2193 piece Volvo articulated app control dump truck. So this is going to be quite the kit. It's got app control. You can see some of the features on the box here. So I'm going to get this set up. We're going to start a time lapse on this. Probably again, like the other cat video, this will probably be at least 2 videos, and then we'll show you how the thing functions. So I will get set up, and we'll get this kit started. So I'll be right back, and we'll be on time lapse. So we're now done with step number 1 on the Volvo articulated truck. This comprises of the gearbox and the motor installations and the rear axles. So we'll go on to part 2 in a minute, and stay tuned. So this concludes bag number 2 of the parts, which was the front end and operator station, the start of the crankshaft for the engine, and the front differential assembly, and the articulating joint that allows the rock truck to actually swivel like so on itself, and the steering. And you saw that other motor go into here. So again, that concludes part or bag number 2 of parts, the front end, now made it to the back end. I'm going to end the video here and put this one up, and then we'll do part 2, the last 2 bags, because it looks like it's a pretty big assembly, and this part went on maybe way too long for some guys to watch. But yeah, it's going to be a nice kit. It's coming together good, and we'll start part 2 of this assembly shortly. So thanks again for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.